Hey y'all, I'm Kitty, and I just wanted to welcome you back to my channel. I have a new setup. Y'all can see my mess back over here and over here. We're gonna work on it. I'm rearranging like I do frequently. So I wanted to film another video because I've been super inspired to film lately. I've been enjoying this, so y'all are gonna get me again. So I was thinking about what I wanted to do my eyeshadow on today, and I was inspired by my moisturizer. Now, I just picked this up. I've used it like twice. I really like it so far. I have oily combo skin. Got this at Target, but I've just been really inspired by this blue to purple to pink kind of thing here. And so I wanted to do an eyeshadow look. Probably I'm going to do it this way. And I think this way would look better on the eye. But I take inspiration where I can. My moisturizer inspired eye look. Now the first step is to prime our eyelids like always. Take off my glasses and now I can't see anything. Just a little bit of eyeshadow primer on your middle or ring finger. Apparently I'm doing both. And tap that onto your eyelids. I say middle and ring finger because those two fingers are more gentle with your eyes than your pointer finger is. Standard second step, because this is your first step, it's your first eyeshadow step. So first step, take a fluffy brush, just pat that over the lid. It sets the eyeshadow primer and it makes everything go on smoother. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my Colourpop E9 brush and I'm going to go into Coastal Scents Purple and I'm going to fill in my crease. Now this already feels very similar to the last tutorial I made, but I promise it's gonna be different. Now I'm going a little bit above my crease because I want there to be enough space for a gradient. And I'm just going back and forth trying to make my eyes look even. So that's what we look like so far. So I know the purple is not as intense as I want it to be or as it's going to be. So I just realized that I put the purple on top, but actually the purple was supposed to be in the middle. But we're gonna make it work because I already did that. So now I'm taking my e.l.f. Blending eye brush. And I'm going to go into this shade here. It's Poodle by Colourpop. Now Colourpop is 100% cruelty free. And I have an order coming from them soon. I am so excited to get some of Poodle. I'm going to tap off the excess because fallout is a thing. And I'm just going to bring that along the top of the purple because I totally didn't bring the purple up too high. So we're just blending it until we get it to a place where it feels good. I'm just intensifying that pink. I'm doing this just above my crease. So I'm pretty happy with how that's turning out. I'm going to go back to the Colourpop E9 brush and go back into Coastal Scents Purple and bring that purple down, which is where we wanted to bring it. When we brought it up, we were supposed to bring it down. But that's life. So I'm really liking how this is looking right now. I haven't got it on this eye yet, but you got that sort of gradient pink to purple. So now I'm going to go back to the same brush I used the pink shadow with, and I'm not cleaning it off, and I'm just going to blend the two together a little bit more. So I'm as if I'm bringing that pink down a little further. So this is where we are right now. And I am going to do a pop of blue on the center of the lid. And then we're going to go back and do the pink and purple again and just really meld it together. So I'm going to take my NYX Glitter Glue or Glitter Primer. And I'm just going to take a little tiny bit, gently rub it over my lid. And take this blue shade, Figi, with my middle finger and tap that all over where we just put the glitter glue. So this is what we have so far, and I really like it, but I just want to add a little more purple. So I'm going to take my Colourpop E9 again, which I have not cleaned off, and I'm actually going to go into Violet Voss Violet. Now, this is not going to show up the way with the intensity that the blue did because I'm using it with a brush and I'm just experimenting here. I'm not sure that this is going to look the way I want it to, but that's what makeup is for me. It's an experimental art. And so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to make sure to tap off my brush. I am loving this. So I'm not so much blending it in as I am just swiping it on. And it's going over the blue just a little bit, which was not quite my intention, but I am loving it. Now I'm just going to go in with a little more of the blue to make sure that that is as bright as it can be. Just across the bottom front of the lid so that I'm not trying to cover up any of that purple we just laid down. So this is what we look like, but I need something for my inner corner highlight. Now this is one of my favorite parts where I get to go through my collection and just swatch things until I find what I'm looking for. And I did that, and I found the shade Spectra from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. And I think Spectra is exactly what we need. It's a purpley pink duochrome, and it'll totally go with the purple and pink that we have going on here. I'm going to take some of that on my pointer finger because that's the finger that I feel like I can get into my inner corner best with. And just tap that on lightly. And that's the inner corner. So this is the completed look. And I am so happy with it. It totally matches the pink to purple to blue gradient of my moisturizer. Not sponsored. I'm so small I couldn't be sponsored. But it totally matches what I was inspired by, and I am in love with this look. I am so excited. So that's my pink, purple, blue look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave those in the description, or you can hit me up in person or private message me if you know me in real life. I would love it if you could like and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. It would make the YouTube algorithms think that maybe I'm someone that they could show to someone else, and that can help me grow a little bit. I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!